Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to choose which countries you want to watch on Bigo Live. So right now I'm at my profile on Bigo Live, and on the bottom you can see 5 icons: Home, Explore, the one in the middle is for you to go live, Community, and Me. The Me one is for you to go to your profile. So right now we're interested in the Explore one. That's right next to the Home one and next to the one for you to go live. So we're gonna click it, and as you can see on the top of the screen, there's countries and regions. You have a couple of countries here to choose from, and all you have to do is click on the country you want to watch people from, and or the language you want them to speak, and you'll have a lot of options. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.